At a meeting of the district committee, district presidents and contested candidates of the BJP of the last election, 2018. The agenda of the meeting was Lok Sabha election. So I would like to hand over to Bahek as our CLP leader to brief the press on this decision of the meeting.
So thank you, Chairman, and also the President of this BJP Meghalaya. So my party colleague, David, are here, and all the press present. So in principle, today, the BJP State Meghalaya, in presence of our General Secretary in charge of the BJP Meghalaya, Mr. Ajit Jamalji, we have taken the unanimous decision that BJP will contest the Lok Sabha elections. We have taken in principle from both the seats, and we are going to meet also the Amit Shah ji, the National President of BJP, and also the Central Leader, to brief about the meeting today, what decisions is taken by the party. Chairmanship of our State President, Shillong, and we are going also soon to constitute under the prerogative of the President to constitute the election committee of the Lok Sabha. The constitute the election committee. The election committee will sit immediately, and also they are going to invite for the candidature. Government election Kamdan gumgata bano mametela mano banuru election election hi nanta government government.
How many?
Unofficially, 4 or 5 of them are there, but officially we have not taken decisions. To mentaro ke MDA kibdon here the jong consensus candidate. Vilai I baka UDP kala ya chikmat la jong candidate. Di menta kiwi party rugam tip lagi don gijing tu banyak election tambah BJP kum kan national party ngila shimi gara banyak FID na BJP. 1984 the BJP datang larut ke MP. Benda di parti berhitam dari India. Aga politics berke election hi jingkhen ke mamla berpenyo immediately kembalong no aga election ke ba badang su depot ke MDC election ni set of candidate kemut bagi BJP kemudian su BJP ke parti ke non bagi don